Hey guys, what's up? I hope your day is going super well. The gist of this video is it's been raining a lot here in southern Utah, and Jarren and I, we just got sick of it, so we just went and skated anyways. We had a pretty good flat ground sesh. Jarren did some kickflips, I almost broke my leg. Enjoy the video.
I don't know what to say. It's wet.
Yeah, it's been raining super crazy here in southern Utah. Yeah, we've been losing our boards in the puddles. It kind of sucks. So we were just trying to figure out where to skate. So we just came to this pavilion with a ledge. So we're going to just sesh here for a minute. But I have to wait because I lost my board in the water. So my wheels are all slippery. Bro, wheels were like straight up submerged and the bearings are still like that. That's crazy.
All the ceramics, baby.
So mine's spinning.
Yeah, look at that go, buddy. That's a good bearing right there. Yeah, that one's better. Yeah, look at that. Oh, styling, bro. My bearings kick his bones bearings ass. Look at that, still going.
Dude, your board's just like hella thirsty today.
My board is suicidal, apparently. Look at this. It's like, ow.
Oh, shit.
You see that?
That's flexy.
I don't want to snap my board, but I might end up doing that. But I only weigh like 120 pounds, which is one of my benefits as a skater, being featherweight. I think that's why I can fall.
Another benefit is the hundreds of boards in your closet, so like really...
Collectibles, man. They're signed.
Ooh.
Impossible.
It's possible.
Whee!
Listen to that. I don't know. I don't know. It's so soggy. It's hard as fuck to do anything on this thing. Talk about ghost flips.
That just sounds waterlogged. That sounds like a fresh Walmart deck.
I know, it totally does. Oh my god, it fucking feels kind of like one.
Nailed it.
Landed in that crack. That is killer. But not bad for a first try.
I didn't like that one either.
That was bad too. Fuck! Take that one.
That one probably look good.
I don't know where the fuck they are.
They're in my car. Those are bubblegum.
Either that or like smokes, whoever came up first. I don't know. I don't like either. That's why I do it though.
Oh.
No.
She just got this cigarette, because can you imagine like you fall back and swallow your gum?
I'm gonna swallow right now. I swallowed it. I'm gonna have indigestion for 7 years. Alright, that lighter was dead anyway.
Your wheels sound like they're soft.
They're not very hard right now. They feel like literally softer than they should be.
Ow. Yikes.
Whoops. As if I've never kickflipped before.
That one was pretty proper.
Thank you. About fucking time. It's getting too slippery to do anything.
Yeah, facts. Whew.
Starting to lose morale. Soggy ass, fucking soggy bottom boys over here.
Get your other board.
Dude, it's so soggy, I bet that dent's at the side.
Oh my god. Wow.
It happens, it's a fucking skateboard.
You can start like peeling that whole thing away. Just like dig into it with your fingernails. And then like after a while the board will just be sawdust. That footwork, boy.
Yeah, I wish I had it.
I think you're doing a pretty good job at soccer today. Just good.
I don't like soccer either.
Natural talent.
A lot of people have natural talents for shit they don't enjoy. What does that tell you? We're computer programs, bro.
As a schizophrenic, I could buy into it.
Ow, my ankle! That was actually really good. I'm not feeling the kickflip kudos. I'm not feeling the kickflip. I'm not feeling like anything we got is really that great so far.
Got good ollies. Plus, like, you know, you could always throw it back, daddy, again.
Yeah. Do a frontside 180 off of this.
Yeah. Forget I said anything.
You filming this?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna. I was thinking about jumping on it. It would absolutely break. I guarantee it.
Hell yeah. Well, now you could do it. I'm just playing.
Flat ground kickflips.
I don't.
Easy.
Oh!
So unfortunately, due to the conditions, Jarren was unable to land the kickflip in this sesh. Usually during wood riding situations, wet and slippery are very good conditions, but for skateboarding, that's very bad. Very, very bad. But Jarren can kickflip down that, and he could do it flawlessly. Check this out. It's fantastic. Beautiful. Wow. Now, after seeing that, I gotta tell you guys, I'm a little wet and slippery myself, you know what I'm saying? So after Jarren tried his kickflip attempts, I tried to heel flip down this, because Jarren can't be the only one trying something cool, but the situation ended up getting a little twisted. You'll see what I mean by that. It sucked.
I got that. Oh, that one was almost fucking proper. The catch on that was sublime.
Ow, my ankle! That was actually really good.
Ow.
Yup, that goddamn hurted. But you know what's crazy about that is I threw my back out doing that. And like, my leg healed up a lot faster than my back did. And my back still hurts, bro. That's crazy. But I'm going to get that heel flip. I'm gonna get that goddamn heel flip. Gonna get it. Maybe when it's dry. I don't know. But anyways, that's the video. Not a lot to show because we're skating in the fucking rain. But anyways, I love you all. And I hope you have an amazing day.
I have too many fake friends, and when I say fake friends, what I mean is that they are not real. I have too many fake friends, and when I say fake friends, what I